Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to discuss example number 2 of the area of the sector. Okay, and we still have the formula. Area is equal to pi r squared times theta over 360. Okay, let's try to find the area of this sector. Okay, given tayo ng theta natin which is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, and our radius is 5 centimeters. Okay, now the formula is pi r squared times theta over 360. Okay, substitute natin yung mga given natin. We have pi, copy lang. R is 5, so we have 5 squared times our theta which is 40 over 360. Okay, what is now 5 squared? That is 5 times 5. So we have pi, and then that will be multiplied by 25. Kasi 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? And then we have here 40 over 360. Pwede na natin i-cancel yung 0, di ba? Kasi divisible sila by 10. So we have here 4 over 36. Pero yung 4 over 36 can still be simplified. I-simplify natin yung 4 over 36. Divisible sila both by 4. So, yung 4, i-divide natin by 4, and then yung 36, divide natin by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So, this will become 1, and this will become 9. Okay, meron pa bang may divisible dyan? Wala na, diba? Kasi 25 and 9, wala silang number or greatest common factor. So, we can just have, multiply this one. 25 times 1 is just 25 times pi. We have 25 pi over 9. Okay? Now, this will be your area. Now, what if we are going to find for the approximate value? Okay? So, we have here 25 times 3.14 over 9. Okay? Let's have this calculator para mabilis. 25 times 3.14 divided by 9 is 8.72 centimeters squared. Okay, ito yung value niya if we have pi as 3.14. Okay, naintindihan ba? Kung naintindihan, let's try to find for the area of this sector. Given tayo ng inyong theta or the measure of the central angle which is 70 degrees and your radius is 6 centimeters. Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!